going on YouTube? Armani back you guys with a brand new video, and this video I'm going to be talking about things I dislike about my C7Z06. So let's get into it. So one thing when it came in on transport, this front clip right here, I was chipped. I mean, the previous owner did that, so I'm going to end up getting that fixed sooner or later. And don't ask me in the comments, am I going to get carbon fiber front lip and side skirts to match the roof, because I'm not. I'm just gonna leave it alone as is. And then also, if you live in Philadelphia, why are the stickers so hard to come off? I still haven't taken these off. I told you guys in the last video, I still haven't taken these off because they're so hard. Like, this is ours in Missouri, that's theirs. Like, what? I mean, I guess he was exempt from something, but I don't know. So that's that one. That's number 2. Number 3 is the side skirts. The previous owner had drywall screws put in the side skirts. I literally kept the screws just in case to show you guys. Like, all these were in both sides of the side skirts, and they were coming off a little bit. Like, they had it to the point where it was like adhesive towards the front, and there's just like 20 screws on both sides. So that's number 3. Let's see. It's only my really gripes about the car. I'll also tell you guys stuff to look for when purchasing a C7Z06 is the wheels. The stock wheels on the Grand Sports and the Z06s both are prone to hairline crack over time, and I think the rears on mine are starting to, but not too much for me to worry about it right now. But I will throw some pictures of the wheels I'm thinking about looking up. I'm thinking about getting for the car. So I think it's about four different types of wheels: Brixton forged, not Brixton, BC forged, Vossens, 4-stars, and Forged line wheels. No, Signature Forged wheels. But yeah, another thing about what to look for as far as the exterior of a C7Z06, like in some of these creases you'll see here, is like paint will chip off, and like some will chip there, and then some will chip like in here a little bit. I mean, that's normal from GM, but if it's worse than what it actually like supposedly should be, like that's enough. Well, you can slightly see it in there. But yeah, it's a little burp defects from GM, it's fine. But yeah, that's pretty much all for the exterior that I dislike. I mean, it comes with the territory of getting a used car and a first year model car, because this car came out in 2015 and I got a 2015. So another thing with the 3LZ packages, which is so weird, because the 1LZ and the 2LZ packages don't do this. They're like, over time the leather dash will like kind of come up. I mean, you kind of can't see it there, but kind of like wrinkles, and it'll come up eventually. So it's not terrible for me to worry about it now. I don't really care. It's just a car. I just love to drive it. So that's pretty much for the interior. What else? No, that's pretty much it, honestly. See, I told you the pros weigh out more than the cons, and this is like, what, a 5-minute video, or if not less by now. But yeah, I mean, love the car a lot more than I thought I would at first. I mean, honestly, I've driven a few before, but just making it your own is another story. And then another thing for the outside, if you don't put PPF on these, well, there's PPF on the side here. but not here, because you can see all the rock chips and stuff there. But that's pretty much it. Not too much. The previous owner was an older gentleman, what I've heard from my coworkers that purchased the car from the owner. And yeah, I love it. I mean, there's a little chip here. I'm not worried about that. It is what it is. It's a 10-year-old car. It looks way better. A lot of people have said to me that they thought it was like a 2020, but it's like, no, it's a 2015. They're like, it's a 2015? I'm like, yeah. And they still can't believe that. Some people that are not really into Corvettes or not really into cars in general think it's a 2024, which they don't know that they switched over to C8s, yada yada yada. But that's pretty much it for the video. I want to make a short video. Sorry for the wind noise if it's kind of windy, because it's windy today. It has been raining so much the past week, and needless to say, it's May and I'm tired of it. But yeah, so I love the car, and this is the little short video about the cons and my dislikes of the car. I will go further in depth on like a buyer's guide to what to look for when purchasing a C7Z06 in the next video. So that's pretty much it. Want to get a short video out to you guys because I wanted to do something yesterday. I wanted to do this yesterday, but it was raining all day. So that being said, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
She get on my nerves till I ain't got no nerves left. I come out bustin', my diamonds cold like they Russian. I might spend thousands for nothing. Shoe bottoms red like they blushing. Bands in my pockets, I'm stuffing. Shorty, my girl David Ruffin. She on my head like concussion. Stay with a tool like construction.